You asked, how to divide 5,500 by 8 using the long division method. 5 is too small. Use 55. 55 divided by 8 equals 6. 6 times 8 equals 48. 55 minus 48 equals 7. Bring down 0, making 70. 70 divided by 8 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. 70 minus 64 equals 6. Bring down 0, making 60. 60 divided by 8 equals 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. 60 minus 56 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 687 remainder 4.